Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. Today I'm going to be teaching you the basic Japanese phrases or words to be used in meeting people or greeting people. So let's start. Please repeat after me. Hi means yes. Iie means no. Onegaishimasu means please. Arigato means thank you. Doitashimashite means you're welcome. Sumimasen means excuse me. Gomen nasai means I'm sorry. Ohayo gozaimasu means good morning. Konbanha means good evening. O ya sumi nasai means good night. Eigo o hanasemasu ka means do you speak English? Koko go hanaseru hitoはいますか means does anyone here speak English? Watashi wa Nihongo ga sukoshi ka hanasemasen means I only speak a little Japanese. O-namae wa nandes ka means what is your name? Watashi no namae wa Glenda desu means my name is Glenda. O-genki desu ka means how are you? Genki desu means I'm fine, thank you. Oaidekite ureshi desu means I am very glad to meet you. Wakarimasen means I don't understand. Nante imashita ka means what did you say? Moto yukkuri hanashite kudasai means can you speak more slowly? Yoko wakarimasen means I understand you perfectly. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've learned a lot from this lesson. And please click subscribe, click the notification button, like this video, and share. Until my next tutorial, thank you for watching once again, and bye. See you.